In this video, I'll show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. So I get this question a lot. I'm not sure why, but it's very simple. It seems to be something that people have a hard time with. But there's basically two ways to do this in Google Sheets. The first way is to go into View, Show, and then just uncheck this grid lines here. And that will get rid of your grid lines instantly. So this is the correct way to do it, but there is another way that people often resort to because they don't know the correct way. And this one does have its benefits as well, which I'll go through in a while. So how the second way works is you just use this borders functionality, and then instead of this gray borders here, you want to change everything to having white borders. So you'll just select your entire spreadsheet and then select all borders. So what this does is it basically converts your gray borders into white, giving the impression that you no longer have grid lines. So this is not very ideal. If you want to remove grid lines from the entire spreadsheet, definitely use this option here. But there is a scenario where you might want to remove grid lines from just a specific portion of the spreadsheet. Let's say I want to remove it from this block here. In that case, I can just select this all borders white, and it's going to get rid of the grid lines in this specific section. I'm not able to do this using this option here, since this will just remove the grid lines from the entire spreadsheet, and it's kind of an all or nothing solution. So then this comes in handy if I just want to remove it in part of a spreadsheet. So yeah, that's how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.